Okay guys, sorry about that. I don't know if my live video was too long or what, but I looked up and my video cut off. So, all right, well, let's just continue and just know that there's going to be two parts to this one. I don't know, that's really weird. I've never had that happen before. So, all right, so I put the second eye on over the beak. And now I'm going to take a little bit of seal for his hair. And we'll put that, and we'll just kind of tuck it in behind the eye. And we're going to do the same thing with the other little piece here. We're almost done. I don't know if Facebook's like, okay, you're taking too long. It's time for you to get off now. All right. So there's his hair, just like that. Oops. Put it. Oops. There we go. Struggling a little bit with this. Here we go. Hold on. There's one. Yeah, and you just kind of attach these like right behind the eyes for his hair. There we go. It's kind of cute. All right. Thanks, Mary Ellen. Thanks for joining me. I don't know what happened to my video. It just kind of cut out. I think Facebook said, you're done. You're taking too long. All right, so I'm cutting, again, a basic white strip that's 3/4 by 3 inches. And now we're going to use, for the chick, I decided to use just jade. To stamp the sentiment and to use the ribbon. So honestly, you could change up the ribbon and the ink for any of these to your liking. I just liked those colors together. But I would say whatever ink color or whatever ribbon you do, kind of coordinate the ink with the ribbon. That's what I like to do. So all right, so I inked it up in just jade, and I'm going to stamp over to the left edge here. Even pressure. Voila. Oops. And then we're going to bring in our Banner's Pick-a-Punch to get that banner again. All right. And I'm just going to fold it over to make sure it's even. There we go. And notice that I am putting this over the wing for the chick here. Whoops. And I'm just lining it up with the edge of the box, but I like to lift it up a little bit so you can see that yellow peeking through, but you'll still be able to see the candies in his body too. Okay, now once again, we're going to use those clear envelopes, and I'm going to take my paper trimmer and cut off the little edge, the little flap, so we get a flat edge. So we're just taking that adhesive flap and we're making a flat edge along the envelope there. And then I like to put the bag in the box when I fill up the candy, just so it doesn't get so bulky. When you're filling up the candy, it kind of stays flat inside the box like it's supposed to. So I'm going to try not to make a huge mess with my jelly beans here. My bag is a little too big, I think. Here. Let's try that. Oh, I love Easter so much. I'm so excited about it. I don't know, I just love holidays. I love celebrating and hosting. Come on, bag, work with me here. It's all staticky, I think. There we go. I'm gonna fill it up. I don't have a ton of jelly beans left there, so oops. Couple came out. I'll fill it up with what I have, and then we're going to take our Just Jade ribbon and I'm going to cut off a big enough piece to tie a bow here. Oh, let me move it down so you can see there. And just try to make sure to get, whoops. I'm going to crinkle it up if that's easier to get that ribbon There we go. Get that ribbon tight around the bag and it makes it easier. And you can kind of wiggle him up. I want it to be above his hair. So wiggle it up just a little bit. And we tie our bow. And then we'll cut our ends here. And there we go. 2 treat bags for Easter. Aren't those so cute? All right, guys. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed these treat boxes today and that you'll try some with your little ones for Easter. If you have any questions about anything we've done today or about any of the products, please feel free to contact me. If you need any of the products for today's project, please make sure to purchase them in my online store. Every purchase this month that is over $50 will receive double campfire badges. Now, my campfire program, you get a free $50 shopping spree once you get 10 campfire badges. So this is just a way for you to earn your free shopping spree twice as fast this month. Also, I give away a monthly free gift with orders $50 or more every month. And this month, my monthly free gift is 2 of the liquid glue bottles. So you'll get that as well. Remember, if you want a free catalog, if you haven't ordered through me, the deadline to place an order is March 30th to get your free annual catalog. All right, guys. Well, I hope you'll join me again next Monday and have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Be safe. Bye.